wish ko lang good health, and then I will pray for this fight. I know he's always is preparing this fight. It's good condition. I promise him that he won this fight because I know his condition. But I will say good luck, Tol. Ingat. I will pray for you.
In short, the pressure is on because of how close and controversial the first 3 fights went down. Manny Pacquiao versus Juan Manuel Marquez. They're saying that the winner of this Part 4 is essentially the winner, perhaps, of all the last 3 fights. And that is why, don't forget, Kababayan LA is going to be there this weekend to bring you the highlights and the sidelights of Fight Weekend. This promises to be a very exciting fight. We've heard from Bob Arum, from Freddie Roach. We've heard from Buboy Fernandez. We've heard from the people around Manny, wishing him luck in this upcoming fight. But we have still yet to hear about Manny Pacquiao, the congressman himself. How does he feel? What does he think? Will he go for a knockout? Let's watch this.
Manny, sinabi mo na aggression is key in this fight. But we've seen you try to be more aggressive before. You can only do so much kung yung mga kalaban mo tumatakbo or umiiwas sa'yo. Meron ka bang plan na gano'n? It's say, for example, abangan ka at hintayin ka lang ni Marquez in this fight.
May mga ibang strategy kami kung gano'n ang gagawin niya. Yung head movement side by side, and then may ginagawa kaming iba-ibang galaw. But focus kami sa aggressiveness.
What are your thoughts on him gaining weight? Makakabuti ba yun sa'yo? Makakasama? Iniisip mo ba yun o hindi?
Well, kung titingnan mo, it's more advantage to me because the more you gain weight, the more you become slow. So siguro mas nakakapabor sa atin yan.
While he was trying to gain weight, he tried to gain weight for this fight. Ikaw naman tinigil mo naman yung plyo na regimen ni Alex Ariza. What was your reason for that?
Yung kailangan ko lang speed. I need more speed, and
You were definitely fast and hungry 10 years ago when you were first starting here, when you fought Oscar De La Hoya. Paano mo mababalik yun?
Yan ang tutok namin dito sa training na ito. So far so good naman. Happy yung trainer ko, si Freddy, and lahat.
Napabagsak mo daw twice yung isa sa mga sparring partners mo?
Tulak ko lang. Tulak, I push him.
Really? Really?
If he said so, yeah.
Some fans are concerned that, because of wala nang hunger daw, wala na raw yung aggression because you're more, para bang mas naaawa ka sa mga kalaban mo ngayon. Will you show that sa laban mo kay Marquez?
Yes.
Ngayon, you can't be more aggressive kasi counter-puncher siya. So may ingat din. How do you balance that?
Basta sagasaan.
So knockout.
Hindi naman tayo magpe-predict, mahirap magsalita ng tapos, but if we could have a chance, why not? We're gonna grab that opportunity.
Last 2 questions. Sinasabi ni Marquez siya daw nanalo sa first 3 fights. Anong pakiramdam mo doon? Naiinis ka ba? Mas na-challenge ka ba? Napipikon ka ba? Nalulungkot ka ba? Na ganun yung allegations niya despite what the judges have decided?
I'm praying for everything.
So, anong round? Would you give a round?
Walang round.
All around.
All around. Walang round, but all around.
Manny Pacquiao Fight Special is brought to you by MoneyGram. Para masiguradong remittance mo ngayong Pasko, Moneygrado sa MoneyGram.
I wish you the best, and your birthday's coming up soon. Give us a knockout. Let's make the country proud.
Unang-una, sana maganda yung kondisyon niya pagkatapos ng laban, maganda yung health, at saka alam ko mananalo siya. Saka sana pagpatuloy pa niya yung pagtulong sa mga kababayan natin.
Alam ko kaya mo dahil bilib na bilib kami sa iyo. Unang-una, napakabait mo. Andito lagi kami susuporta sa iyo.
Guys, make sure you tune in to Kababayan LA as we give you more updates, highlights, and sidelights about this fight. For now, this has been Janelle Sawyer, Kababayan in Los Angeles. Thank you for joining us. Thank you to our sponsors for making this possible. And I shall see you again tomorrow.
This special program is brought to you by Southern California Toyota Dealers. We make it easy.